Update. This is how you can make money just by performing social media jobs using your smartphone. This platform is called hawkit.ng. All you need to do is to type it hawkit.ng on your phone or on your browser. Then you click on create your free account. Then once you click on create your free account, it will pop up like this. Then you enter your name, and then you put in this referral code glory54. After you put in, you click on sign up. After you log in, you will not see this congratulations, you are now a member. You verify your account with just 1,000 naira, and note this place will be 000. All right. After you verify your account, then you will see this congratulations, you are now a member. Then you have access to the jobs on this platform. Okay, like I said, you get paid by posting ad and in doing engagement tasks on this platform. So what you need to do is to click on this place that said earn, this earn button here. Once you click on it, then you select this one that said engagement tasks. You can also resell other people's product. I will also guide you on how to do that. You click on engagement tasks. After you sign up, this is how your page will look like. Note, you will not see this congratulations. You will not see this congratulations, you are now a member, and this place will be 000. All you need is to verify your account with just 1,000 naira. Then you will see congratulations, you are now a member. Then you have access to all this job. After this place that said earn, once you click on this place that say earn, you select, there are two ways to make money here. Then this is the daily task, and this is if you want to resell other people's product. You can earn up to 100,000 naira monthly, but I will still guide you on how to resell people's product. Now we are going to do the task here. So we click on this one that said perform engagement task. So right here you can see they have roughly tasks here, over 300 tasks on this platform. And you can see here this you have Facebook job, Instagram job, Twitter job, TikTok jobs and WhatsApp jobs. And when you post on this place, you can see you make 100 naira for each post you make for this company on using your social media account. Moving on to next, you come here and click on this one that say marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, then these are the products you can resell and make money. You don't need to buy this product upfront. Let's say you want to resell any of these bags. All you need to do is to click on this place that say this resell button product. Once you click on the reselling button, you see everything will pop up here. And once you sell this product, you can see you get roughly 259 naira, and the job distance has been also listed for you. The job description, that is the description of the bag. If you want to download this bag, you click on any of these product 1 or product 2, you download the bag. Once you download the bag, you can see it just save on your gallery. Then you can post it on your or on your Facebook. My transaction list here, you can see I have made a lot of money just by doing these jobs right from the comfort of my home with just my smartphone. You can do the same. Just go to hawkit.ng and create your account and use my invite code glory54 to get a bonus after you have registered. If you have any question, kindly drop it on the comment section. Like, share, and follow me for more money making tips updates. Ciao, ciao. See you on my next video.